Hi, I'm Gina Marken, owner of Sound Benefit Administration. This short video is to explain how an individual coverage health reimbursement arrangement, we're going to call it an ICHRA, can help employers design a plan that is versatile and addresses specific benefit needs. Challenges for employers. Group medical plan premiums are increasing every year. Employers want to control the cost of healthcare benefits. Some employers may want to offer a benefit to a class of employees not eligible for benefits. And some applicable large employers, ALEs, and you know who you are, have trouble meeting the 95% threshold to avoid paying penalties. Challenges for employees are that greater and greater out-of-pocket expenses are paid by the employee. There are increases every year in healthcare costs, and to avoid paying these out-of-pocket expenses, people are choosing not to seek medical care and let manageable medical problems become chronic. Some employees work for employers that don't offer any healthcare benefits, therefore are uninsured. A possible solution, an individual coverage HRA. Here's a little ICHRA 101 for you. For years, we've been asked a fairly straightforward question: can employers reimburse an employee for their individual insurance premiums? And based on the mood of the Department of Treasury, our answer has been yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. But on January 1, 2020, it's back to yes, using an individual coverage HRA or ICHRA. An ICHRA can be offered to a class of employee who does not qualify for your group medical plan. Examples of eligible classes are full-time employees. I know that sounds weird, but we'll get back to that in a minute. Part-time employees, seasonal, salaried, hourly, temporary employees working for a staffing firm, employees covered under a collective bargaining agreement, employees in a new hire probationary waiting period, foreign employees who work abroad, employees in different locations based on rating area. In general, the ICHRA benefit should be the same within classes. However, businesses can include differences based on the employee's age or family size. Maybe you only insure office staff but not field staff. Perhaps you only insure full-time employees but want to offer a benefit for seasonal employees or part-time workers. The ICHRA can reimburse individually owned medical insurance premiums. This will not help employees covered under another group medical plan through their spouse. It must be a state or federal medical plan. Medicare and TRICARE premiums are also considered eligible premiums, but only if the participant is in an eligible class, like part-time, for example, or full-time if you don't offer a medical plan in order to receive reimbursement. Employers who do not have a group medical plan in place can also offer an ICHRA to their full-time employees. Remember I said I'd get back to this later? No longer will premiums increase every year. The employer decides how much they will reimburse employees, and the maximum limit will not change until the employer says it will change. In addition to reimbursing premiums, the ICHRA can also reimburse out-of-pocket medical expenses such as copays, deductibles, or dental and vision expenses, according to the employer's plan design. The ICHRA can reimburse only premiums, only out-of-pocket expenses, or both. The employer decides. The employer also decides how much is contributed to an ICHRA. Happily, the government did not put a maximum limit on the ICHRA. A word of caution: if you pick an annual limit of $5,000 or greater per individual, you'll have Medicare as secondary payer reporting to deal with, and believe me, it's not fun and it's not easy. Employers of all sizes can offer an ICHRA, which is great news since other HRA hybrids have employer size limitations. Participants must provide monthly proof of enrollment in an individual medical plan as well as supply backup for each medical, dental, and vision out-of-pocket expense in order to be reimbursed from the ICHRA. Benefits of this approach. Employers can offer a benefit without offering a group medical plan. That's huge. Employers can offer a benefit to a class of employees not eligible for benefits. And reimbursements to employees are a business expense, just like premiums paid to a medical insurance company. Individual coverage HRAs are ideal for companies who want to avoid double-digit increases each year on a group medical plan by not offering one. Offer a benefit to a class of employee currently not eligible for benefits. And because ICHRAs are considered eligible employer-sponsored plans, an applicable large employer or ALE can count ICHRA offers towards the 95% threshold for avoiding those penalties under the Affordable Care Act's 4980H. A few things to know about ICHRAs. If you are a COBRA eligible employer, you have to offer this benefit to ex-employees. While that may not seem attractive, it comes at a cost. Ex-employees are required to pay a COBRA premium in order to stay on your ICHRA plan. HRAs are subject to PCORI fees, that's Patient-Centered Outcome Research Institute fees. Don't worry, they're not very expensive, and we do all the reporting and tax preparation for you. Another surprise, only C Corp owners are allowed to participate and be reimbursed by the ICHRA. If you are set up under any other business structure, you are considered a self-employed individual and not eligible for an ICHRA reimbursement according to the IRS. If you'd like to read more about some of the considerations we went over, you can go to our website at www.soundadmin.com and click on blog. You can search articles by alphabet soup category or type in the names of either of the two article titles listed on this page. If you would like to sign up for our newsletter and receive more timely information about alphabet soup topics each month, go to the main page of our website, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click subscribe. This last slide is a shameless plug to consider using Sound Benefit Administration for all of your alphabet soup needs, including an ICHRA. We are not a gigantic third-party administrator. We can design a unique ICHRA plan to suit your needs. We're located in Poulsbo, Washington, and use cutting-edge software to ensure the best experience for both employer and employee. Reach out to me directly by email, phone, or using our website to request more information. Thanks for watching this video.